Hey guys, W7, December 13th, 2012. We had a meteor impact the Black Sea outside of Turkey. Thought it was pretty interesting, passing along your way. There's a couple links to the news sources. You'll have to translate it. I'm going to run the feed so you guys can check this out. Now they did say that there was an impact vibration felt off of this. Like I said, I'll leave the links. You guys can go and check it out. Just wanted to pass it along your way. Do got some of these meteors or meteorites hitting Earth. All right, till next time. W7, December 13th, 2012.